आज मैं आपके लिए कंटेम्प्रेरी सेंटर ऑफ पावर का पार्ट 4 लेकर के आया हूँ। इसके अंदर एक क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ देयर वर राइज ऑफ चाइनीज इकोनॉमी। चाइना की जो इकोनॉमी था उसका राइज कैसे हुआ। तो 1978 से पहले जो चाइना की जो इकोनॉमी थी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लो था। पर कैपिटा इनकम was very low. Agricultural production and industrial production was very low. After that, in 1970, the Chinese leader thought to liberalize its economy. They made closeness with USA. They started doing trade with USA. So as they started doing trade with USA, their economy uh, started rising. In 1978, the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai. In 1973, the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai proposed 4 areas of modernization. That was agriculture, industry, science and technology, and military. After that, in 1978, leader Deng Xiaoping, Deng Xiaoping announced open door policy, मतलब कि खुले द्वार की नीति, under which remove the tax barriers. China made flexibility in labor laws, under which the MNC that will set up their production within China, they will have to pay low taxes. They had no any tax burdens, and due to which the foreign direct investment, क्योंकि जब कभी भी लो टैक्सेस पे करनी होती है तो फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट एरोज इन चाइना। जो फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट था वो चाइना में क्या हुआ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा एरोज हो गया। आफ्टर दैट चाइना इंट्रोड्यूस SEZ, स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन। चाइना मेड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन. Under SEZ, Special Economic Zone, if any country will set up their production within that country, if any company will set up their production within that country, then they had no need to pay taxes for few years, nearly 5 years, and the government of that country will provide free electricity, free road facilities, and other infrastructure to the industries for that is necessary for their development. After that, China, to increase its economy, China made privatization of agriculture. Privatization of agriculture means agriculture went into the hand of private individual, and due to which agricultural production arose, and China made privatization of industry, due to which industrial production increased, and in this way there was rise of Chinese economy. Thank you.